Let's go shopping for another Dollar Tree haul. Today's haul is packed with brand name finds and dupes. I honestly had a hard time choosing where to begin. There is so much I'm actually going to have to make a part 2. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Now grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. Let's start with these little woven baskets we've all seen the past 2 seasons, but Dollar Tree keeps adding new sizes and colors. And just look at McGee Co's and Magnolia's version. Sure, they're a little larger, but it's really about the aesthetic that matters, and Dollar Tree nailed it. You can paint or stain them, style them on a bookshelf or a coffee table, and stash away remotes, pens, matches, or wax melts. Right on trend and only for $1.25. And then I couldn't believe it when I saw these pumpkins. At first, they looked simple, but I instantly thought of Pottery Barn pumpkins. After you remove the flowers, of course. And that twisted detail is just gorgeous. I'm gonna transform this one in my fall DIY video coming next week. So make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss it. And if you spot this one, be careful to check the prices because one was $5, one was $6, and one was $7. Then I came across these ice cream and milkshake glasses for $1.50, and look how they compare to McGee & Co's set for $40 for 4. The Dollar Tree quality is pretty amazing. I think they're stunning, perfect for everything from desserts to fancy drinks, and they look way more expensive than $1.50. Now check out the Halloween mugs. Target will sell you a ghost mug for $3, and Anthropologie's bat mug is $16. And then over at Michael's, they have a spiderweb version on sale for $5. Dollar Tree versions, just $1.50. Great quality and budget friendly. And what better way to enjoy your coffee in your new mug than with some pumpkin spice coffee creamer by Splenda. Such a great find and a thoughtful gift for the pumpkin spice lover. And we're going to circle back to more fall finds later, but first let's talk about the brand name items I spotted on this trip. And have a look at this find. It's the organic chai latte drinks by Yogi for $1.25. These are an amazing deal and will run you over $16 for a 3-pack at Target. You can enjoy them hot or cold. I love it in the evening as a treat while I'm watching TV. And I couldn't believe it when I turned the corner and saw new Betty Boop socks. If you have seen my other hauls, you know I love her. At this store, they had 2 different versions. So in the cart they went. Lucky me. So if you love her or know someone else who does, be on the lookout. Then right next to the socks were these high quality slippers for $5. The faux fur lining and the quality of the faux suede was pretty impressive for the price. Another great gift idea. I have to say this whole shopping trip was so good. The finds were amazing, and in the glassware section, I spotted these 3-wick candle holders. I snagged 2 to DIY with for the holidays, and I'm thinking I should have grabbed a few more for gifts because when I got home, I couldn't believe the exact same size I found online were $18. And the Crafter Square didn't disappoint either. I came across these name brand fabric markers by Primark. You get 5 different colors to a pack, and each marker has a 2-sided tip. I couldn't find a retail price online, but even on Etsy they were selling for $5, and Michael's has a different brand for $10. If you have a teen in your life, you might want to tuck these away for the holidays because it's super trendy to draw and paint on jeans. But then I spotted this Fabric-Tac. It's a small tube and you could probably do better at the craft store, but for a quick grab and a small size to tuck into your purse for emergencies, I thought it might really come in handy. Before we get into the beauty section, I had to show you this dog shampoo and conditioner by Fridays. The shampoo sells for over $22 at Chewy, and at Dollar Tree, it's only $1.50. I couldn't find the conditioner online, but I'm sure it's priced just as high. What a steal. Now for my favorite part, the beauty section. And honestly, Target, Sephora, and Ulta need to watch out because Dollar Tree is stocking some serious dupes. For example, look at this amazing rice water skincare that I just love. It's actually a toner but can be used as an essence and has the ingredients of the Korean essences. Rice and sake fermentation, which have so many skincare benefits like boosting collagen and elastin while repairing the skin barrier and providing deep hydration. I could do a whole video just on rice water, but here's the bottom line. If you see this, grab it. You'll thank me later. Another showstopper is the Spa Essentials Super Green Serum and Brightening Eye Cream with vitamin C and kale. Once again, you have another dupe for Korean ingredients and skincare at $1.25. The packaging is so cute too, and the set would make a great stocking stuffer. And how about this micellar water? It's a dupe for the Garnier micellar water, which is even pointed out on the bottle. And I have to say the ingredients are very close, and as close as most dupes get. This is a huge savings per ounce. Then you have this huge line of products by Dermisil Labs, which has been created with dermatologists. I'm not sure if this is all of them, but I am impressed. You have toners, scrubs, cleansers, and lotions, plus products for specific conditions like eczema, acne, and even for diabetics. This is worth checking out, and it's all still $1.25. Up next is one of my favorites, the Snail Mucin Essence and Moisturizer. Snail Mucin is hydrating, builds collagen, and repairs the skin, and it's very anti-aging and super trendy in skincare. This is one of those run, don't walk finds. Grab it before it's gone. Another great grab and another repairing skin product is this anti-aging nighttime face and body retinol oil by Spa Essentials. Next, I spotted a super interesting foot and leg anti-swelling mask by Onyx. If you have sore legs and feet, for $1.25, it might be worth giving this a try. In fact, Dr. Scholl's has something very similar for $5. And how about more Brookstone products showing up in Dollar Tree? In my store, they had a 2-pack eyelash curler set and a 3-piece eyebrow repair set. A great find for yourself or a friend. The name itself and the packaging makes them gift-worthy. And have a look at these novelty pouches. They're beautifully made, pretty large, come in gorgeous colors. And even though they are by the cosmetics, doesn't mean they're just for cosmetics. You could use them for so many things. Put essentials in them for the car or travel, and for anyone in the family. And finishing up in the beauty aisle, I wanted to show you these fantastic glow-in-the-dark nail polishes for Halloween by LA Colors. What a fun item, and I couldn't get over all of the different colors they come in. Now, to get ready for the fall and winter, the Dollar Tree has a huge display of their Snugaloo products. Some we've seen before and some are new items, and this year they are $1.50. But I'm not sure you can get these types of products for the quality cheaper. Plus, they are all ready with tags for gift giving. My store looked like it had a full display of hats, gloves, slippers, fuzzy, and novelty socks. These items do go fast, so don't wait if you're looking for any of them. And just in for fall are the new storage and organizing containers. And look at these rich colors. I even think some of these items are larger than we've seen in the past. It's one of those collections that just makes your space feel more pulled together for fall. Practical and pretty, which is always a win in my book. And speaking of rich colors, look at these stunning new colored jarred candles. The glitter ones are spectacular, and I didn't see any glitter on my fingers after touching them. The jewel-toned ones for fall are just as stunning, and they're all $5. I was so surprised to see the fall stencils. I have never seen them before, so they're new to me. I couldn't believe it when I turned the package over and there was a second sheet of stencils on the back. There were also 4 different packages to choose from. I can't wait to use these in my upcoming video. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And take a look at this cauldron. It's huge. I had to bring one home. I can't decide if I'll use it for storage or as a planter. What would you use it for? Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.